bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
Today I'm with Julie and we're at the beach, and I also have my Canon R5. I'm going to be using this, to shoot a couple of videos, see if we can put some sequences together as a little fashion video for her brand, Jewel Day. And I'm also going to be testing out the C-Log 3, so let's just see how everything comes out together. Everything is just going to be done around here. I'll tell you what I'm doing and then see if we can put like a fashion story together. Are you ready? Awesome. All right. I'm going to start with like a very wide establishment shot. 3, 2, 1, you can come. Perfect. All right, that's fine. Okay, so now let's stay inside the cave and see what we can do. So even with you walking out, actually let's just do you walking out again. I'll just shoot it from here and have a little bit of like a foreground element. All right, are you ready? Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold on. Please go back again. Too fast. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Perfect. All right, and then let's just do some moves inside the cave. All right, so like, let's see if we can do a walking shot of you now just coming out of here. So 3, 2, 1, and then we do it. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, let's go. Beautiful. Perfect. I think we should just do one more for safety. So when I say action, and then we move. All right? Yeah, I think this is gonna give me smoother footage. All right, so 3, 2, 1, let's go. Perfect. All right. I think I want to do like a detail of your hand. Okay. So the way you were holding the rock, yeah. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, I think I just need to change my exposure a little bit. So I'm gonna go up. Right there. Okay. I just want to get like the detail of the hand. Yeah, just moving against the rock. All right. So 3, 2, 1, and action. Perfect. I love. Anytime I say action, I want you to like move. So now I'm just going to be doing detail shots of your hands, your face, the skirt, the top, all that. All right? Let me zoom in to 70. I think I would like the 70 feel. All right. So, oh, I like that. So the way you're looking up, I'm going to palm down a little bit, so maybe you can like drop your hand and then you look into the camera. Yeah, that's just good. But this is more about your face.
Yeah.
All right, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, ready when you are?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good. Perfect. I like the way you settled in this corner, so let's do that again. Let me just do now. You just settling in the back here. We'll just do that one again. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the jewelry on your chest. So that again, so the way you turned and then open up to me, we'll do the same thing again. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yes.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can get.
I want to, like, once I'm here, I want to get as many options and variations as I can. So in post, I can now choose the clips that I want to use and those I want to discard. But she's done something beautiful right now that I think I want to get. So I'm going to film this right now, and then I'm going to fly my drone as well and then see what we can do in addition, just to get like another perspective from here. Okay, So I like the way you were settled in there. So maybe you can pose, like when you model, turn around, but then that's the spot, okay? Yeah. So we'll do the same thing. I'll do a wide shot. I'll zoom into about 50, and then I'll zoom into 70, and then just do the same turnings that you're doing. All right, action. So as she's moving, I'm also doing just a little pushing so that the camera doesn't stay too stable for a long time. That's oh, I love that. And then just chin up, yeah. Beautiful. Okay, that's really nice. Awesome, I think we have it. So I'm gonna zoom in because I was at 24. I'm coming to 50 now. And let's just do the same thing again. So you can vary it doesn't matter. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. That's nice. I like that. I like that. Again, yeah. And then you can chin up and look away. Stunning. Oh, that's amazing. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice. Oh, this is much better. Okay. Now let me just come, and then I think I'll just come like this. And this will be our final shot. 1, let's go. Beautiful. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay, I think it's a wrap. So now I'm going to fly the drone.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention.
So unfortunately, if I get close to her with the drone, I'm going to show in the video as well. So I'm going to hide myself in this, and then hopefully I don't show in the drone, and we'll just get a couple of videos of her walking. I've already told her what to do, so that's just going to be it. And I think when we go back in post, we'll try and put the footage together and get like a very nice clip out of it. I'm hoping we do. So Julie, we are ready. All right, so guys, I think I've been able to get all the footage I need, different angles, different, crops, different movements. I think, and even different perspective. The drone shots, amazing. But I think we've been able to get like a lot out of this small space. So watch out, I'm going to put all the clips together into a fashion video. So watch that now, and then I'll catch you guys after you watch the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you want more videos like this, let me know so I can keep creating more of them. Yeah. Subscribe, like. If you want to see Julie on the channel again, let me know in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, don't ever give up.